Desk organizer with adjustable pen holder, pencil cup, phone stand, sticky note tray, paperclip storage, and office accessories. Caddy, desktop organization for cubicle or home office, black. Remove clutter, get focused. Studies have shown that people with an organized desk stay focused 167% longer than those with a cluttered desk. No-brainer, right? Simply purchase this organizer, get rid of desk clutter, and get more done while working. Put some you in your office. Each compartment can be rearranged and customized for you. Whether you're right-handed, left-handed, or you're just particular about how you like your stuff arranged, this supply holder adapts to your workspace. Check out my desk. This is what you'll be saying to friends and coworkers with messy, cluttered desks. Your workspace will be something you're proud of, that you can't wait to show off. The modern organizer tidies up your office and looks good doing it. US patent pending design, designed and engineered right here in the USA. Magnetic base for quick and easy customization. Solid bamboo and high-grade plastic for lifetime durability. Non-slip rubber feet so it doesn't slide around on your desk. Perfect size compartments for all of your pens, pencils, post-its, paper clips, and phone. 110% money-back guarantee if this isn't your favorite desk organizer you have ever owned. If it doesn't improve your focus at work, or if you just don't like how it looks, return it for a full refund plus an extra 10%. No questions asked, just a prompt and courteous refund with a few extra dollars in your pocket. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.